cheating bastard! I ain't hearing no more of this. I won that game fair and square. Fair and square, my ass! Heard me, fair and square. Well, why don't you let your pistol do the talking?
Let's go.
Your move.
Easy, mister. I ain't got the heart to push this any further. It was only a joke.
Back off!
I was just kidding!
Oh, no!
Hey,
God damn!
it was just a bump.
I mentioned to hurt you.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Want me to make this look harder than it is?
Oh, shit!
Watch yourself.
What the hell? I gotta get out of here. Jesus!
Mind this. Guess you're just yellow.
Your pal here's pretty weak.
We gonna kill you right Don't worry, it's gonna hurt. What?
Then stay there! Ain't this fun?
Hey, you crazy? Goodness! Ooh, I'm not gonna make you bleed.
God damn it.
How do you do, miss?
Hello, sir.
Hey now, what's all this trouble?
I was just leaving.
Get on out of here, you! Hustle on your way now.